Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to get a Chrysler Pacifica key replacement in case you lost all your keys or just want to have a spare. In addition, I will go over the different type of keys, transponder key, key fobs, coding information, the estimated cost, online, dealer and locksmith, and some great tips to save you a lot of time and money. And of course, if you need any help, you can contact us 24/7 and we will connect you with a locksmith nearby. So, Chrysler Pacifica has two types of keys. One is a key fob, which is the push to start option. You get into the vehicle, push the start button, and the car is on. The other option is a regular ignition, which you actually have to put the key in the ignition and turn to start the vehicle. Let's go over each option. For the push to start option, we have one key fob with a part number MSN 9739590, and this will work for Chrysler Pacifica 2017, 18, 19, 20, 21. Now remember, this key fob requires on-site coding with a special machine. For the regular ignition of Chrysler Pacifica 2004, 5, 6, 7 and 08, we have a transponder key Y164PT or with a keyless option OHT 692427AA, which requires coding on site as well. Now, some keys have a keyless entry option like the top key here, and some don't, like the bottom one. It's exactly the same key with the same chip, the only difference is with or without keyless, which is of course more convenient. The difference in price, by the way, it's about $30 or so. Now it's time for tip number 1. There are many different key fobs and transponder keys that looks exactly the same. However, they have different chip value inside them, and if you get the wrong key, you get the wrong chip. The wrong chip, and you will not be able to start the car. So always remember to provide a locksmith or dealer either the exact year, make and model of your car or the VIN number. For example, 2019 Chrysler Pacifica. Now, let's go over the estimated cost. You have three options to get a key replacement. First, get a key online and have a locksmith or the dealer cut and program it for you. Second, call an automotive locksmith who can come and make you a key on site. And third, tow the car to the dealer. Let's start with the key fob. Online you can get it for about $70 for the key, and total including coding and cutting the key by a locksmith or dealer about $300. A locksmith should charge you the same, about $300 for on-site service, and the dealer between $350 to $420. A regular ignition, however, is cheaper. Online you can get it for about $35 including coding and cutting, about $220. A locksmith will charge you about $250 and the dealer around $300. The following is very important to remember. If you buy a key online, you will have to code the transponder key or key fob with a special machine, like this one. You cannot do it yourself. Either the locksmith or the dealer will do it for you. A very common and unfortunate mistake is when people buy a key online, after they read somewhere they can code the key or key fob themselves. While it may be true for other makes and models, it is not the case for Chrysler Pacifica models. Before we continue, a quick word about a spare key or a duplicate. Making an additional key when you already have a working key is much cheaper and faster. Therefore, we highly recommend getting two keys in case you lose all your keys, as the second key should cost less than half. Now it's time for some tips to save you time and money. First, and most important, call a few locksmiths, get a few quotes. This is very, very important, as some locksmiths are very busy and some aren't on a given day. Second, try to call a few companies, even if they are not located right next to your location. Most locksmiths offer a mobile service, sometimes up to 30-mile radius, so even though the business address might be far from you, they might be helping the customer right next to you. Third, try to schedule an appointment, if you can wait a while. Most locksmiths would prefer to give you a 10, even 15% discount if you can wait while they finish another job. This way, it can work out for everybody. You get a discount, they get a job. Ask for it. Don't be shy. Finally, just like a mortgage, try to negotiate. If you find a better quote, tell them. Who knows? Maybe they will give you a better one. For more great tips, you can read our blog post about car key replacement cost. That's it. I hope you liked this video. I would really appreciate if you can comment below to help other people and tell us how much you paid. And of course, if you need help, just give us a call. Thank you very much.